Wizard. Now let's talk about the other tool which we have, which will help us, process this bulk data, or which will help us do these bulk data operations. The other tool is data loader. Okay, let's understand about data loader and how is it different from data import wizard, and then we will also discuss about which one to use when. Okay, so data loader is a client application for the bulk import or export of data. So this is a client application, and this needs to be installed on your system. This is not something which you can directly access from your setup menu. Okay, and this is an application which is basically meant for bulk import or export of data. It is used to insert, update, delete, or export Salesforce records. Okay, this is used for performing all these bulk data operation: insert, update, delete, export, upsert. When importing data, data loader reads, extracts, and loads data from comma-separated files. So this will basically accept CSV files, and it can actually read the data from CSV files. So if you're using data loader for performing any bulk data operation, you will have to first of all put your data in a CSV file, and then you'll have to use the CSV file to load the data into your Salesforce using data loader. Okay, data loader supports all data loader supports all the objects, including custom objects. So now the good thing about data loader is that it supports all the objects, standard objects and custom objects. Okay, so in data import wizard, whereas custom objects are supported, all the custom objects, but standard objects, only a few standard objects were allowed. Most of the standard objects are not supported on data import wizard. All right, data loader supports all objects. Data loader supports for large files with up to 5 million records. Okay, now this is another small comparison here. Data import wizard could support up to 50,000 records, whereas data loader can support up to 5 million records in one single file. Okay, so one single transaction you can actually deal with up to 5 million records, which is a big number. Data loader needs to be installed in the system. Okay, now since it's a client application, you have to, it's not a web-based application, so what happens, you have to install it on your system. So you cannot just be using it from the setup menu. Okay, so that's about the data loader. Right, so now we have got two different tools: data import wizard, data loader. We have understood few attributes of each one of these, and depending on our requirement, we can decide whether we want to use a data import wizard or a data loader. That's all we'll discuss in this video. Thanks for watching. For more videos in this series, you can look for the link in description below or visit my website. Goodbye and take care.